Did you know that WhatsApp has changed its status feature? But you can still revert to the classic style. Let's dive in. First, open your WhatsApp app. Click on the three dots in the top right corner to access settings. Now, tap on Settings, followed by Account to access the features you need. Next, find the Privacy option. It's where the magic begins to change your status. Scroll down to Status and select My Contacts to restrict it to chosen friends. Finally, relish in your newly styled status. Quick and easy, wasn't it? Don't forget to share your old-style status with friends. They'll love the throwback. Show off your classic vibes and enjoy the compliments that come with it. Keep an eye out for more updates like these, as WhatsApp evolves, and you can too. Embrace the best of both worlds, modern features with a classic touch. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for more exciting WhatsApp features.